Commodore VIC-20. There we go. That was mine. What games did you play on it? A game that's you're probably going to make these days. New York Blitz. Mastertronic. There's a game. It's kind of like an. It's kind of like a reverse. I don't actually know why you're fucking doing it. It never actually explained why you're bombing all these cities. It's like a kind of reverse Space Invaders in a way. You've landed safely. Aww. So I think you make your way. I remember Baltimore. Remember? There it is, Baltimore. Philadelphia. And then New York, there it is. And what happens when you do that? Look at that look, you got to get that look. Bang. Bang. Now attempt level 7. Fucking hell, man. Well, where is that? Is that even possible? Don't like, move on. These are fucking real games. Don't miss a single fucking thing. Bang. Miss this, you're fucked. That's the game broken. That's the game broken. That's it. That's impossible. They definitely will have made it so that you can't actually fucking do it. What was the, like, the memory? 20 kilobytes ROM, 50 kilobytes RAM. So, 5K. 5K RAM. There you go. That's more than enough. It's ample. There it fucking is. See these. I was at. See just that. I remember that. No clowns. I don't know what that is, but there was text-based adventure games. There's one called The Count. Whoops! Don't do this. That's porn. You type YouTube incorrectly, and it'll be tits, bums, fannies, a lot. VIC-20, The Count. There it is.
Hello, this is Memphis 01, and be able to be on the first make like a blank tape image for me to see.
Right.
The game that I've been.
There we go. I fucking remember this. Welcome to Adventure 5, The Count. I see I was put to bed. It's afternoon and I have overslept. What shall I do now? Get sheets. Okay. What shall I do now? Get up. I'm in a bedroom. Closed window. Brass bed. North. Okay. What shall I do now? Okay. Go dumb waiter. I'm in a dumb waiter. And I remember that. I think it's maybe the first time I heard a dumb waiter. It's like that. There would be things like, I think there's one called The Hulk. And you start off tied to a fucking chair. And you're like, look, there is a door, there is something there, there's something. Get up, you can't, you're tied to a chair. Cut rope. With what? With knife. I don't understand with knife. Cut rope with knife. Keep your instructions to 2 words only. Rope knife. I don't understand rope knife. Use knife. Don't have a knife. Do you know how you got out the seat? Bite lip. Because you're Bruce Banner. Bite lip. That gets you angry, you turn into the Hulk. How you're meant to know that, I don't know. I remember actually saying years later, it's actually in instructions. It's like a wee thing just to get you started. And I see it as almost a kind of piracy protection thing. Like, you're not going to know how the fuck to even get started with it that. But it can't be. It's a fucking cartridge. Nae cunts pirating fucking cartridges.